What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation, and I just wanted to do a real simple video taking out the trash, but it's just kind of stretching and didn't really notice that there was a college degree there behind me. But yeah, I just had this urge to take out the trash, and I keep getting distracted. Every time I go to take out the trash, I keep seeing this here YouTube plaque, but I hate it because it's so shiny it gets in my eyes. Man, life is so difficult around these parts. Try to make a YouTube video and everybody's talking about I'm humble bragging. Well, humble brag is not something that I would do, because I got too much problems trying to make my way out of the garage to take out the trash, because I keep tripping over Lambos and stuff like that. Let's get this trash out of here. Tell you what, man, one thing I hate about these here, making these YouTube videos is, well, just trying to get up my driveway and my shoes keep coming untied. Oh yeah, my shoes was untied. Let me tie my shoes real quick. Hold on. So yeah, as I was saying, you know, my shoes keep coming untied, and I don't know, it's hard being a YouTuber because people always accuse you of humble bragging. Well, hold on, let me get this other trash can. But I can't seem to get it around from this here car. It's in the way. Damn Lambos. So yeah, as I was saying, unfortunately didn't have my maid to come and take out the trash, so I had to do it today. But it's okay. Somebody has to do it. But it's hard being a YouTuber because everybody thinks that you're always doing a humble brag by showing your collection of Lambos in the garage. Well, here's the thing. These are not even real Lamborghinis. I mean, didn't you guys see my other video where I admitted that my Lamborghini Gallardo in Verde, Ithaca was a replica? Well, what do you think this is? You guys really think that that's a real Lamborghini Aventador? Well, you've been fooled again. This right here, this is a fine replica. See? Look. You can even see that the light is falling out right there. It's a replica. But we have top quality replicas. I make them right here in my garage with parts from a Camaro. Those Camaro seats right there. Steering wheel came from a Ford Mustang GT. So they are quite expensive. But I challenge you to find anybody that can make a better replica than I can here in my garage. Even that engine there, V12 replica, is fine, handcrafted, straight out of a Chevy Chevette. And well, this here Huracan is also a replica. We've even gone down to the fine details of including a supercharger replica. We even took the badging from those guys out at VF Engineering. Now, if you're wondering how much these here replicas cost, This one right here is $45,000 to make that from scratch. This one here was about $35,000, and this one here cost us about $20,000, maybe $25,000 with all of the extra detail we put into it. As you can see here, we even have the Hellcat engine that we made to look like a Lambo engine. How you like that? So if you want to get a replica, all you gotta do is subscribe to my channel, and don't send any money. We don't take money. We don't want any money, because that will go against our morals and our values. If you want to get a replica like this, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to learn a skill and a trade. You're gonna have to learn how to invest your money, and then you're gonna have to learn how to save it, and you're gonna have to learn how to earn it. And then you can get you one of these here replicas to sit in your garage, take to the car show, and trick all your friends. All the way down to the logo. I hope Lamborghini doesn't see this video, because I wouldn't want to have to deal with no copyrights on their logos and things. But we've done such a good job. We even have a replica wrap on here. This wrap material is not real. It's actually made to look like satin red chrome, but in all actuality, it's just a bunch of melted down candy wrappers. But let me show you the detail of the inside. We've got replicas for days here. We just crank them out. We even have the Huracan insignia down there. We've got fake Alcantara seating. So if you don't know about this, you can get these seats here out of a Fiero. We got these out of Pontiac Fiero. And like I said, everybody, when they see these replicas, they want to buy one from us. But like I said, we don't sell our replicas here. We teach you how to make them and get them yourself. And the way you do that is through hard work, learning a skill, maybe going to college, maybe going to learn a trade. You start making some good money yourself, learning from different people, different opportunities that come up, and then you start making some good money, and then you invest the money, and then you can get you one of these here replicas. Matter of fact, this one we are selling, but it's such a good replica. It's better than a real Gallardo, so we're selling it for the same price as a used one. This one will cost you about 100 grand. I think you can find it on AutoTrader right now. It's all the way. It's even got the fake or replica stitch badging on here, and we got the seating and all that. We've even got a replica Alpine touchscreen for your iPod and Android stuff. Yeah, this one's a real good replica, I tell you. Matter of fact, tell you what, you want to get you one. You want to get this one right here. We grew up the price. It cost about 20 grand for us to get it, because we took that 20 grand and we invested it in some real estate. When the real estate prices went up, we got one of these here replicas in the garage. You can do the same thing. People just think we humble bragging around here. We're just trying to show you how you really get it. Alright, that's how you really get it. Get your replica by investing your money and investing your time to learn how to earn. It ain't that hard, but you gotta have an open mind. You gotta have to remove the hate from out of your heart and learn to see when somebody's trying to show you something, instead of thinking they're trying to humble brag. You dig? It ain't no humble bragging when somebody try to show you how to get it. They just showing you this so that you might be interested and you might come and accidentally learn something. So that's how we get these here replicas done. Alright.
Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.